Classic pancake recipe. Ingredients: 11/2 cups all-purpose flour, 31/2 of a teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon white sugar, 11/4 cups milk, 1 egg, 3 tablespoons butter, melted. Prepare dry ingredients. In a large bowl, sift together the flour, baking powder, salt, and sugar. Mix wet ingredients. In another bowl, beat together the egg and milk. Then, mix in the melted butter. Combine mixtures. Pour the wet mixture into the dry mixture, and stir just until smooth. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make the pancakes tough. Preheat the pan. Heat a lightly oiled griddle or frying pan over medium-high heat. Cook the pancakes. Pour or scoop the batter onto the griddle, using approximately 1/4 cup for each pancake. Wait until the pancake starts to bubble on the top and edges begin to look set. Then flip it over and cook until both sides are golden brown. Serve warm. Serve hot with your choice of toppings, such as syrup, butter, fresh berries, or whipped cream. Tips: for fluffier pancakes, let the batter sit for a few minutes before cooking. You can add extras like chocolate chips, blueberries, or sliced bananas to the batter if desired. Adjust the heat as needed. Pancakes should cook steadily, but not burn. Enjoy your delicious homemade pancakes.